This practice is about one thing: awareness. Not changing anything, not fixing, just noticing. And the more you notice, the more awake you become. For full effect, please make sure to be undisturbed for the next 10 minutes. Namaste. I'm Marcel Groux. Please lie down in a quiet space, arms by your sides, palms up and eyes closed. It all starts with the next breath. Inhale for 5 seconds and exhale for 6. With this breath, know we are in this together. Right now, we're nearing 1 minute since this lesson started. Shifting the awareness there and thinking about, what does this do with you? And also feeling about, what does this do with you? 1 minute. Start to shift your awareness, your focus to your elbows right now. And just observe your elbows. Seeing what thoughts are coming up. What's happening in your elbows. Or outside of your elbows. And from there, let's shift our focus to our ankles. At the feet, checking with your ankles. We are now nearing the 2-minute mark of this lesson. What does this do with you? Checking in with your feelings. What is coming up? How do your ankles feel? Let's move on to our shoulders. Check in with your shoulders. How do they feel? And allow a bit of a pause even. A break of me telling you some things. 3 minutes pause now. And understand that everything that's coming up, all the questions of what am I doing here? This isn't a usual Yoga Nidra lesson. All of it is completely welcome. Just observe it. Bring awareness there of your thoughts that are passing by. And then shift your focus to your wrists. How are your wrists feeling? And then 4 minutes passed. Let go of your wrists softly. And let's connect with our hips. With your belly. Connecting to the start of your rib cage. Connecting further up to your heart. And here realize We just paused 5 minutes. Being in stillness for a moment. And then slowly, let's balance our whole body by inhaling into your belly, softly, into your chest, and exhaling out from your chest and out from your belly. Now think that you're inhaling from the very crown of your head, through your head, down through your throat, through your chest, through your belly, into your legs, down into your feet. And as you're arriving in the feet, exhaling through the feet out. And then inhale again through the feet in, up your body, completely up through the whole body, and then exhale at the very crown of your head. Inhale again, down, imagining you're inhaling down to your feet and exhaling out. One more time, in through the feet, all the way up through your body, and exhaling out through the top of the head, through the crown of the head. We're nearing now 7 minutes. Great job so far. So just observe right now what is happening when we're having longer times of stillness. Can you find awareness? Can you find stillness between your thoughts? Letting go of all of the expectations, of everything that you're expecting. And just come into this present moment. This present moment, a gift for you. Releasing all the expectations. No more expectations right now. And seeing what's happening without judging, just observing, deeper and deeper, observing. And from here, slowly, very, very slowly, bring the awareness back to your hands, to your feet, to your knees, to your elbows, to your whole body, and start to move your fingers, start to move your toes, and gradually start to move your entire body in the way that you like to. I am bowing down in front of you for your practice, for your continued discipline. Make sure to subscribe to stay in the loop with weekly uploads. Like it, give it 5 stars, share a message filled with love in the comments section. Send it to all your friends, put it in your stories, write articles in newspapers, leave a beautiful loving review somewhere else in the internet, and most importantly, practice again this wonderful ritual of yours. I'm bowing down in front of you again for your discipline and your continued support for donations and all the gratitude steps mentioned just now. It helps me create the most amazing guided meditations when you're donating for me. And these meditations I create for you. I hope to meditate with you soon again. Abundant love and blessings to you. Namaste.